A blast in the court complex of Punjab's Ludhiana. One person has been killed. It was a pretty high-intensity blast. So the Chief Minister has been there and has bizarrely linked this blast to the FIR filed against Akali Dal leader Bikram Majitya just a few days ago. The Akalis have condemned the statement. The BJP and Amrinder Singh's new party have all condemned the blast today, but the Chief Justice also raising serious concern.
A blast inside the district court complex in Ludhiana has left one person dead and 5 injured.
एक जिहड़ा सस्पेक्ट है जिहड़ा बंदा जिहदी बॉडी उत्थे मिली है ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਇੰਪੈਕਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਐਕਸਪਲੋਸਿਵ ਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਨੇੜੇ ਸੀ ਜਾਂ ਉਹ ਕੈਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੀਲਿਮਿਨਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਕਨਫਰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ 4 ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੰਜਰਡ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ ਡੇਂਜਰ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ hospitalized करवा देता सी. They are okay.
The blast took place on the 2nd floor of the district court. The intensity was so severe that walls and window panes of vehicles parked outside the court were shattered. The blast occurred hours before the Chief Minister was scheduled to address a rally in Ludhiana, and it comes just days after the sacrilege and lynching case in Amritsar ahead of the elections.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਅਰਾਜਕਤਾ ਫੈਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਏਜੰਸੀਆਂ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੈਂਗ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤਹਿਕੀਕਾਤ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ
ये नकारात्मक राजनीति की पराकाष्ठा है कि बेकसूर लोगों की जानें ली जा रही हैं वोट्स की पोलराइजेशन के लिए.
The opposition gearing up for elections attacked the Congress government.
लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है कि पंजाब की सरकार बार बार जो उनको वार्निंग्स आ रही हैं उसके बावजूद पंजाब की सुरक्षा पर जितनी सतर्कता देनी चाहिए थी, सीमाओं पर जितनी सतर्कता रखनी चाहिए थी, वहां कहीं नहीं.
The centre has sent a team from top anti-terror agency NIA to investigate the matter. With Mohammad Ghazali, Rishika Barua, NDTV.
Let's go across live now to Ghazali, because Ghazali, this really is worrying. First we had those 2 incidents of alleged sacrilege and then lynching, and now we've got this blast, all this just before elections. What are the details that the state administration, the police are telling you, and now this Chief Minister linking this to an FIR against Bikram Majitya?
Yeah, certainly. This incident happened here. Visually, I'll show you. This is the court complex. The security has been beefed up after the incident. And on the 2nd floor of this building, the blast happened at around 12:30, between 12 and 12:30 today afternoon. As of now, the debris is getting cleared by the police. The dead body is still there. They don't want to remove the dead body to ascertain whether the person who has died, was he responsible or was he planning to trigger the blast, and in that particular process he died, or whether he was close to the blast site and that's why he died. So these are certain details which the police is trying to ascertain. NIA and the forensic team of NSG also visited the spot. They also collected some evidences from here. But as far as the political reaction is concerned, certainly a bizarre reaction from Punjab CM linking this entire incident, the blast incident, with sacrilege and with the bail application hearing which was scheduled today for Bikram Majitya in Mohali court, saying that it appears to him that it is a long-drawn conspiracy to disturb the peace and peace in Punjab. As of now, the police is working in close coordination with the NIA, because NIA will be taking over this case of the blast, and in many such cases in the past, NIA is monitoring the blast cases of Punjab. Right. And this is also reminiscent of what happened in the previous polls, in previous assembly polls in 2017, when a similar blast has happened in Bhatinda 2 days ahead of the voting, and that probe is still not over. So certainly people are expecting that due to this blast, the probe should speed up, and before polls or voting happens, the Punjab police or the government will...
of mob violence, we see this incidence of the blast. Who's behind this attempt to actually create tension in the sensitive state, the border state of Punjab, just before elections? Thanks so much for that update. So the probe needs the report to be out actually. There's no point waiting for it for 5 years.